Bayang Pranama Joksandirai, Ikai Kumnajari Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Waikent Saisi, Police Joksandirai, Ratuma Ahuma Kumama Putra.
한도 의지가 사라진다.
Bayang Pranama Ikai Kumnajari Honorable Chief Minister, Bapamati Joksandirai, Bayang Pranama Isagi Pupamlang lagi Hogolaga, Kubam Kudunam, Ikai Kumnajari Honorable Chief Minister Bu Taramok Minasi. Bayang Pranama Joksandirai, Ikai Kumnajari Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Waikent Saisi, Police Joksandirai, Ratuma Ahuma Kumama Putra.
Government of Manipur, Block Development Office, Walking Ketha, City Block Awal, inaugurated by Sri Yunam Kensar Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, in the presence of Sri Pawnam Province Singh, Honorable MLA, Walking Ketha AC, at Wangtung, Awal District, Manipur, on the 21st April 2026, February Agency of the Works Department. Thank you.
Manipur Imara! Manipur Imara! Manipur Imara! Manipur Imara! Thank you, Pranama Putaram Yokchari, Thagang, Robita Devi, Deputy Commissioner, Thawang Nangasigi, Lepira Pakwai, Pidimapu, Taram Sinjari.
Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, MLA Sir Onam Project, Sir Dinesh Radesham, Sir Rameshwar, Dinesh Robindro, Sir Mukegi, Savadala, Mokseri, Manipur Singh, Volunteer Singh, President, functions in the district administration side, more than a work of
Ikai Kumnajari Madam Pranama Putaram Yokchari, Thampi Kabamata, the Propaganda Election Behiva, meaning when a picture of the Chili Pawnam Project, Election Behiva, Ikai Kumnajari, on a Bengali, Chili Pawnam Project. Sansanba, Video, Yogo, Sinjari. Manipur Imara! Long live! Long live! Long live!
Mama Poreja.
Ini media ni sedang sebetulnya sedang sudah sakit kalau cuma message TV kalau ada cuma message press media ni sedang sebetulnya yang perlu susun jaga ini kau nak berikan